So is the GetUpside app a legitimate cashback savings app, or is it like this guy just said on a video that I had created a year ago today? It's a complete scam. So a year ago, I did a video about the GetUpside app because I had just started using it a few months earlier, and I gave my honest feedback and review. And you would not believe what happened. There are no bigger trolls than the trolls on YouTube. But if you're on YouTube, you need to have thick skin. And like Taylor Swift says, you've got to shake it off. So because I just received that message literally this morning, I decided today to create an updated and honest review of my experience with the GetUpside app for over 18 months now. I am going to break it down for you. I'm going to share exactly how much I've earned. I'm going to tell you how you can use the app, and I'm going to answer all the questions and concerns that I received on this video that I created about a year ago. Okay, first and foremost, if this is the first video that you've stumbled upon trying to figure out what GetUpside is and if it is a worthwhile app for you to download on your phone, let me first tell you a little bit about this app. First and foremost, this is a free app that can help you save on gas, groceries, and dining out. So I will go ahead and I will put my link below. You can download this app for free, and you will be able to open up the app and see what services are available from GetUpside in your area. Now, this is probably one of the biggest questions people have for me is, why do I not see all of the various locations, gas stations, grocery stores, dining out, the services that you see, Lindsay, when you are creating these videos? And that's because GetUpside partners with local businesses and bigger franchises. And so the locations and the number of providers that you are going to see is going to vary from location to location. Nope, that's not a scam. That just has to do with the individual businesses in your location, the franchises, the broader corporate businesses that do want to partner and contract with GetUpside. So when I first started using this app about 18 months ago, gas in my area was approaching $5 a gallon. So that is definitely what I really was excited about with this app. And I was able to earn about $200 in cash back in just the first couple months. Some of that was for gas, some of that was referral bonuses, which I'll tell you about later, and some of that was cash back on dining out. I have seen, and this will vary by location, anywhere from 5% to 20% cash back at grocery stores and at local restaurants. And I have seen the gas all the way up to 15 to 25 cents a gallon cash back. And that's before you get any referral bonuses, which we'll talk about later, that can make your gas cashback significantly higher. So like I said, I'll go ahead and put my link below. You can download the app for free, and I would really appreciate your support if this video was helpful to you. And if you are a professional driver, maybe you're a truck driver, or you drive for Uber or Lyft or DoorDash or Grubhub, or you're just somebody like my husband who drives 35 miles each way to work every day, this can give you a lot of money back on your gas purchases that you're already making. So why are people saying this is a scam? Well, one of the comments that I got on my older video was that it was taking longer than the app said to get the cash back. The app says that the cash back should land inside of your app account within 2 to 4 days. And here's what I realized. This varied from establishment to establishment. Gas was usually in my account within 48 hours. But when we would dine out at restaurants, sometimes it would take like a week for the cash back to hit my app. And what I found out is that that's actually not in GetUpside's control. That is determined by the restaurant and when they process the cash back for the users of the app. So again, this is part of being able to have access to a free app. You're kind of at the mercy of some of the restaurants, gas station, and grocery stores on when they're actually going to process those cash back bonuses to you. Other people were complaining that if they weren't able to get a receipt from an establishment, maybe the gas station pump didn't have a receipt, or the restaurant, they forgot to ask them for the receipt, they were not able to upload their receipt into the app and get the cash back. What I have actually found is that if I enter my credit card, GetUpside stores the last 4 digits of my card and it matches that against my purchase with the restaurant. And so oftentimes, I don't even have to upload a receipt, especially at gas stations, in order for them to automatically process the cash back to my account. Now, as you can see, once you want to cash out, there are lots of opportunities for you to use your cash back. Anything from your bank account to various gift cards to even having it delivered straight to your PayPal account. And some people said that they asked for the gift cards and never received them. I don't know anything about that. I actually always just have it sent directly to my bank account, and it lands within my bank account in about 24 to 48 hours from when I request that cash back. Now, the funniest comment that I received, and it depends on how you feel about companies using your data, but someone said, they're selling your data. And I don't like that either, but your credit card and Google and Facebook and Gmail and all these other organizations that you're probably using their services are also selling your data. And but last time I checked, they weren't giving me any money for any of that data. So I'm perfectly okay with GetUpside knowing where I'm dining out and what gas stations I'm filling up at if they're going to pay me to do that. Because this is probably the moment that you have been waiting for. And how much have I actually earned? Well, it is over $1,100 in about 18 months just for using this app as I go about and do my daily life, and I fill up with gas and I eat out and I buy groceries. Now, this also comes from referrals, because one of the things that GetUpside rewards you for is referring other people to the free app. And right now, at the time of this recording of this video, anyone you refer to the app, you will earn a $7 referral bonus. It's a one-time bonus, but if you go ahead, download with my link, get the app, you will get your own referral code that you can share with your friends. Now that $7 right now referral bonus is just the first time somebody downloads the app. Sometimes that will actually be like a 15-cent bonus on your next gas fill up. And that is how I was able to earn $32 in cash back from filling up my tank of gas one day with like 10 gallons, because I'd had so many people downloading the app and using my code that I got lots and lots of those 15-cent bonuses. And I think I was earning like $3 a gallon back when I filled up my tank of gas. Now, once you have that initial referral, you continue to actually earn about a penny from every single time your referrals fill up their gas tank going forward forever. So all day, every day, I receive these little notifications of 10 cents here and 30 cents there and 15 cents here. And you can see that over time, those little pennies and nickels and dimes have added up to over $132 from my referrals going out and getting gas and me earning that a penny at a time. So in my humble opinion, GetUpside is not a scam at all. And I hope I've been able to prove that to you with my live results. Now, I can't guarantee your results will be the same, but it is a free app. So if you want to go ahead and download it and check it out for yourself, I really do think it is going to be able to help you get cash back on the things you're already doing. And I'll see you in the next video.